Hey guys, welcome to this video of blockchain secrets, and in this video we are going to review the product which is the blockchain secrets, and I will tell you everything about this product, what this product is, how it's going to make you money and everything. But before telling you anything about the product, let me make it very clear that I'm going to earn some commissions if you buy the product from the link which is down below. Since I'm reviewing, or sorry, I am referring you to the product creator, which is Alexi, who is Alexi, and that is why Alexi is going to pay me some commissions without you paying anything extra for the product. Okay, which is you are paying what this product will cost you, but Alexi will give me some commissions out of what you are gonna pay for the product. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product, which is blockchain secrets, and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, this product is called as blockchain secrets, and blockchain is what you have. I definitely can claim that you have heard a lot right now in this past few months or years. Finally discover what blockchain is and the secrets behind the blockchain technology. Unlock the secrets to blockchain technology with the ultimate guide to blockchain and the future of the internet. It is definitely the future of the internet. Okay. From Alexi Gan, as you can read right here, there are a lot of questions. What is a blockchain? What is private blockchain? Smart contract? How is blockchain related to Bitcoin and Ethereum? Blockchain technology, how can I use it? So what does blockchain have to do with Bitcoin? What is mining in regards to blockchain? What makes blockchain so secure that and how does it relate to me? How is blockchain going to change the world? So there are a lot of common questions out there. Okay, so without going any deeper in the blockchain secrets means the product, let me show you what I'm going to give you if you buy the product from my link, which is down below in the description. So as you can see right here, that the blockchain secret, there is my bonus page for blockchain secrets only. Okay, and I have briefed about the product a little bit right here. There is a funnel thing. I will discuss about the funnel a little bit later, but let me show you what are the things that I'm going to give you. Okay, so there are various ways of earning money online. There is a blockchain way, there is an NFT way, there is an traditional way, which is means in the traditional way there can be drop shipping, then e-commerce is drop shipping, it falls under drop shipping, then affiliate marketing or YouTube thing, and there are a lot of things. Okay, I am going to give you tremendous knowledge, or I'm going to give you huge knowledge regarding to a single thing which is called as affiliate marketing. I am going to give you huge knowledge regarding the affiliate marketing because it is very much trending right now. There is right now a huge industrial boom, a huge online world boom, and if you are doing anything online, then you must hire affiliates to promote your product, to sell your products. Okay, so affiliate marketing is a thing which is going to stay for decades after this as well, because people, when they are gonna sell products, if they are not themselves are capable of selling that product, then they hire affiliates, and which is what there is a traditional way of doing affiliate marketing. There is a new way of doing affiliate marketing, and what I'm going to give you is the newest way of doing affiliate marketing online, how people are making money online, which is what I'm going to show you through my bonuses. I'm going to give you huge bonuses regarding to affiliate marketing. Okay, the bonus number one, as you can see right here, the $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, commission blueprint, overnight commissions, instant traffic jacker, the commission to glitch, commission toolbox, commission magnet, $100 CPA daily, and all of these are 16 affiliate marketing courses out there, which is what you will gonna get as my bonus if you buy this product from the link which is down below. Okay, and if you click on any of the buttons right here, then you will land on this page, and if you buy the blockchain secrets from this page, then you will get all of these bonuses from my side directly to your account. Okay, the bonus number two which I'm going to give you is my not just mine, but it is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Okay, it is the thing which supports or holds affiliate marketing industry, which is traffic. Traffic, yes, you can also tell it or spell it as means visitors or customers. It is completely your choice, but all of these are pretty much the same thing. The traffic is what are the customers of your product, whom you are going to promote your product, whom you are going to sell your product. Those are called as traffic, which is what I'm going to give you as my bonus number 2. As you can see right here, the bonus number 2, the Fuego breakout, the clones, Fuego multiplier, bang bang profits, 0-hour work days, incognito. There are 6 traffic courses which I'm going to give you, completely transfer to your account. Okay, what you need to do is simply click the link in the down description in the YouTube video. You will land on this page. From this page, if you grab the product from any of these yellow buttons, then what you can do is you can get all of these bonuses transferred directly to your account. Then there is a bonus number 3. The bonus has not ended yet. The bonus number 3 is very much crucial, very much important, because the bonus number 3 is simply 9 money making courses. As you can see, the secret weapon, 0-hour work days, $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory. All of these will be humongous money making courses online. You can get all of these for free. It is around $1,500 worth of bonuses which I'm going to give you if you buy this small means if you buy this small tip of an thing which is called as the blockchain secrets from the link in the description down below. Okay, so do not miss out on this opportunity. And there is one catch as well, which is this timer, because until this timer hits 0, it is solely my responsibility to get all of these bonuses to you transferred. If you do not, if there is any problem, there will not be any problem, but if you face any problem, it is only my responsibility to transfer these bonuses directly to your account, to your Gmail ID, to your Instagram, or wherever you like. I will give the bonuses to you. And after the timer hits 0, it is not my responsibility. It is completely your responsibility. You can get the bonuses. I will not completely reject the thing that you will not get the bonuses. Until this page is there, you will get the bonuses, but do not risk it. There is my responsibility will not be there. Okay. Now let us see what this product is a little bit. So, Blockchain Secret, the ultimate guide to blockchain, cryptocurrency, and the future of the internet. And so here is what exactly you are getting inside the course. You are getting an ebook, the history behind blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, and everything. Learn the blockchain basics and how it works. Discover the business of blockchain. Discover all the benefits of blockchain. Discover whether or not blockchain is right for you and your business, and much more. Special bonuses which you will be getting from Alexi. This is bonus number 1, point by point checklist. You can see what are the things you need to do to successfully get through the course. Then the bonus number 2 is resource cheat sheet, which is what you will find inside top blog forums, top tools, top tips and how to's, and more. Bonus number 3 is mind map. A quick glance over this mind map, you will get insight refresher, all of the major points and things you must do. Then Bitcoin profit secrets, then private label rights included, and all of these will be yours. And how much it is going to cost you will with all the bonuses is mere $10, around $10, not even $10. Okay, there's an incredible deal as you are seeing right here. All of these will be yours. Regular price will be, after this launch period expires, it will be $30, but you will be getting it at $10 only if you buy before this timer, means my timer hits 0. Okay, so this is it about this blockchain secrets. There was not many things to explain, so I hope you found this video to be helpful regarding to this blockchain secrets thing. If you find anything to ask me, kindly ask me in the comment section down below. Will definitely reply you through any method, to any mean. If I do not know about it, then I will ask Alexi to answer me, then I will reply you. Then otherwise I will try my best and do my best to reply any query or solve any query you are having. Okay, So with that note, let us wrap up the video. And since I make videos like these softwares, kindly consider subscribing this channel, like the video, press the bell icon, and share this video with others who are in this blockchain technology industry or want to know about it. You can kindly refer this video to them. And till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe, and